Hey, what's up, people? Just a quick video since there isn't one out there that I found that's very good. But this is all about how to remove a dead battery from a dive watch. Specifically, this one's a Fossil watch that I got out of a thrift store for 15 bucks. You know, normally a $100 watch or so. But as you can see, you know, these dive watches, they're sealed and they're sealed tight. On the back, to get these off, you have tiny, tiny little indents along the side. And you have to use a tool. A lot of people say use a needle nose pliers. They won't fit these. They're just too tiny. Well, so you think, how am I getting this off? How am I going to unscrew that? Well, that's where this comes in. This is a wrench backing watch. Comes with all these little different size heads. They screw in on the sides here, into here, and then you just put them down into those indents. And then tighten this up right here, and you're just going to move slowly like this, and that is going to unscrew and pop, and then it's just going to pop off just like that. And then you see on this one you have a tiny little 364 battery. Those are tiny, and they're individually $4 or $5 on Amazon. Or you go to Harbor Freight, you get a variety pack for $2. That's all you need, people, right there. Now you're saying, where do I get this wrench? Well, you could get this wrench at Harbor Freight as well. You spend $8, you'll get this exact wrench and your little heads. But you could also just get this kit, this whole kit, minus the batteries, which are from Harbor Freight. Came from Amazon. I don't even know how to say that company, but you can see you get, this is all kinds of maintenance tools. You get a holder. This will hold your watch down. This holds it down too. You've got all kinds of little screwdrivers and pin pushers. This will, right here, will push out any links. This is what you use to get your links out. You've got tweezers. Shipped with Amazon Prime, free shipping, 15 bucks. So 15 bucks, you get all of this and the wrench. Or if you don't want to go through Amazon, you got Harbor Freight next to you. You spend $8. Save yourself $8, or $7, but you don't get the whole kit. And if there's other things you want to do, you want to take links out, shorten your watch, whatever. But, I mean, that's simply it. Just get this watch, find your head that matches. It'll tighten down on those. Tighten that down. Get nice tight. Unscrew it. Simple as that. And then $2.99, you get all these different sizes. If you got hearing aids, your kid's got batteries for little tiny things that aren't running anymore. I mean, this is literally a few cents a battery. I mean, 15 cents a battery, as opposed to $5 for one battery. If you were to buy it at a Target or some store like that. So there's your tip of the day. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, even though I didn't do much, but I can try to do any kind of videos you guys want or help you guys out. That is a stick my dog brought in. And like and subscribe. If I can get to 1,000, I can monetize my channel. That would really help me out. And then I could really get some new equipment, and really make better videos. But thanks for watching. See you soon. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments.